Okay, bestie, imagine living somewhere that's literally minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Could you do it? These emperor penguins in Antarctica are just built different. They chill in temps that would literally freeze us solid. They have 4 layers of feathers and super thick blubber to stay warm. And they huddle like a literal mosh pit to survive the blizzards. It's wild! But what about the other extreme? Like living on an active volcano? Yeah, that's where the rufous-tailed hummingbird hangs out, on the slopes of Mount Everest. Just kidding, volcanoes. These tiny legends survive super high altitudes and crazy heat by constantly chugging nectar and having insane metabolisms. They're basically little flying energy drinks. Honestly, from freezing blizzards to scorching peaks, these birds prove that nature's got no chill. Which extreme would you pick? Drop a comment and subscribe to Critter Chronicles for more extreme nature facts.